What's up, everybody? It's Bitcoin Derek here, and today I just wanted to show you guys how I just made $19 already today, for July 16th, 2019. As you see here, I have some commissions that came in today, but really yesterday that came in for July 15th. I had a direct commission, binary commission of 8% of $100. So I got $8 there. Then I got a binary commission of 10% of $100. So that came in yesterday. That gave me a total of $20 or $18 right there. Then I just got spillover from one of my matrices, but my matrix 25. I get 5% for every person that come in. That's another $1.25. So that gave me a total of $19.25. So far today, I've made over $2,741.16. This is a very easy program you can do. It doesn't take much. It's mainly you have to have Bitcoin to join. It's Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out, but you're getting paid in regular dollars, as you see. And every day you get paid. As far as I have a binary, that's another thing with your binary. You're gonna you're gonna get paid anywhere from 0.05 or 0.5 to 1.5%. Yesterday I got $17.27 because I have a binary of over $1,727.14. So I'm making money. That's 4 different ways I just showed you guys I'm making money. It is a very, very easy program, but you have to get verified. This is not something that's fake. It's been around for over 2 years now. If you are serious about learning how to do this, I will personally walk you through everything of how to join, how to get started, how to set up your Bitcoin wallet. Anything you need to know to learn how to do this, you can get started with as little as $25 to start your matrix and start learning how to trade Forex, because this is what it is. It's an educational platform. But if you want to start making money immediately, you will have to get a binary, and the minimum is $100. I recommend you start off at least $500 to $1,000, because that's when you're going to see, at least if you're making, if you start off at $100, you're only going to get paid $1 a day. If you start off at 1,000, you're going to get paid $10 a day. That's a big difference. So it's all about starting, getting in where you fit in. Get in where you fit in. But as you see, I showed you guys 1, 2, 3, 4 different type of ways I get paid on a daily basis. It is a very easy program. ESP Asset is a great program. It's slow, but it's legit. It's slow, but it's a very legit program. So if you want to learn more about this, contact me, hit the link above, or just PM me. Let's talk, get you started. You guys have a great day.